So, quite nobody has been asking me this actually, but you know what? Today I am going to make something interesting, something that you guys would like. But let's see this. Oh, all right, I'm ready. Like I'm gonna be on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Hey. Yeah. There's a piece of snake. I can't break the snake. Alright, so guys, besides that, I think I'm gonna go check out my cameraman, and besides that, guys, I think I'm trying to make something fun. It's gotta be YouTube gold. YouTube. Here we go. Hi, Sydney.
Hi. Put the spot camera down.
What do you think is funny?
I don't know.
Do you have any opinion of what might be funny?
Oh yeah, guys, coming up soon. What's that coming?
Call of Pooty.
Die. Please die.
Call of Pooty.
God. Gonna get blow up the spot camera? Freaking close. Hey, quick, are you going down to one place?
We're going to Resident Warehouse thing. Oh, okay.
Yeah, some of you have been thinking, oh, I'm just... For good old-fashioned humor. Good old-fashioned humor. Funny stuff. Something funny. Alright. Besides making fun of someone else, I'll make fun of myself. See? Well, if you don't make fun of yourself, no one's gonna laugh at you. But if you make fun of yourself, people will laugh, but they're laughing at you. But if you make fun of someone else, their feelings get hurt. So Quentin is just a fat slob of meat. Lose some weight. I don't know. I feel too confident to make fun of myself. I mean, I don't know what there is to make fun of me. Alright guys. So Lady Gaga, ooh la la. Bicycle, bicycle, I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, 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 I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, 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 I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle.
Dear kitten, I want to show you something.
I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I'm going to ride my bicycle. My bicycle. Bicycle.
I want to ride.
We have to remember the descriptions. And furthermore, look at this.
I'm going to wash my feet. I want to wash my feet. I'm going to wash my feet. I'm going to wash my feet. I want to wash my feet. I want to wash my feet. I'm going to wash my feet. I'm going to wash my feet. My feet. Smash to control your heart. The more you heat. My brains, my brains, my brains. My brains, my brains. Alright, so it's been 8 minutes. I guess I'll see you guys later.